45 millisecond response time. A full-fledged app that allows you to turn gaming mode on and off, as well as turning off the accent lighting. 6 to 8 hours of battery life and an extra 24 hours with the case. The QCY G1 offer a lot of value for a pair of gamer headphones that I think most people would appreciate. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about my experience using the QCY G1 for a little over a month in gaming and just casual listening to, because I think that these headphones make a really compelling case for a pair of just decent budget, well-constructed headphones. But first, my name is Mitchell. I'm fluent in tech, so you don't need to be. All of links for all the stuff you're looking for in the description. Now, as always, with my comprehensive reviews, I'll have chapters listed for you guys to skip around to the parts of the video that you care about. But to answer the question that most of you are probably wondering, yes, the response time when gaming is excellent. But let's talk a little bit about this design. I find that the design of these headphones is fantastic. They don't look particularly gamer-esque. They don't have crazy lighting. The case doesn't have a bunch of lighting like the pair of Have It headphones I tested a couple months back, and I'll have a link to that video. And if you guys want me to do a gaming headphone versus aptX versus non-gaming, non-aptX headphones, let me know in the comment section. The case of these headphones features a nice brushed metallic gray on the top and a flat non-metallic gray on the bottom with a USB-C port on the back. There's a little pass-through so that the blue LED light on the inside can shine through the case, but other than that, there's no crazy lighting pattern, which is fantastic. The plastic that they use is a combination of mostly matte plastic, which shout out to all you headphone manufacturers. Yes, you. Matte plastic, please. Fantastic. Fingerprints, not a problem. They don't look ugly. They don't show like surface scratches, and I love that about these headphones. The actual earbuds themselves have like a little gamery cutout vent on the bottom. There doesn't seem to be any type of use for that other than to look cool. There's a blue LED on the side, which I guess can be turned off in the app, but we'll dive into the app in a little bit. One thing that is nice is that the textured plastic they use on the side is where that touch panel is. So when you're putting the touch commands in, it allows you to go ahead and kind of feel that touch area. It makes them incredibly ergonomic. The app that comes with these headphones is great as well. I've reviewed the QCY app in the past with the QCY T13s, which I thought added a lot of extra value, and I'll have a link to that video up here. Oh, and before I forget, it's a smart case, so they start pairing when you open up the case. Duh, because they're a great pair of headphones for 40 bucks. Of course they do that. Now, battery life on these is really, really good. If you don't have them in gaming mode, you're gonna look at 8 hours of battery life, and with gaming mode, 6 hours. Now, I didn't game for a full 6 hours on my phone, but in my experience, using the game mode did drain the battery faster. Not using the game mode, I listened to music for about 2 hours and it only went down, I think it was 15% battery life. So I think that QCY's claims for battery life for this are pretty accurate. Now, the case gives you an extra 3 recharges. So total, 8 hours in the headphones, plus an extra 24 hours with the case. You're looking at almost 30 hours of playback with these headphones, and I haven't had to charge them in more than 2 weeks. And I've been using these headphones quite a bit. I really like that. Now, voice and call quality for these, I think, has been more than acceptable. We'll give you guys a mic demo test right now.
Hey guys, here we are, QCY G1. Indoor sound quality from the microphone is really, really good. I don't think that their sound quality when we go outside is that awesome, simply because they don't have very much in the way of environmental noise cancellation. And when we do get outside, you definitely can hear background noise, cars honking, and if you guys really want the best microphone possible on a pair of headphones, well, you'd want to check out the Elevate Clear, and I'll have a link to that video right up here for you guys.
And next up, let's talk a little bit about gaming and performance. Now, I've been playing Call of Duty Mobile a lot. I'm like level 130 something something, mega headshot kills, sniper dude all day. Yeah, your boy. And I have found that these headphones do a great job, not only in latency, but in letting me hear when and where footsteps are coming from. And there definitely is a tactical advantage when gaming with these headphones. Not that none of my other headphones couldn't also do the same thing, but these do a great job at fulfilling their job of a pair of gamer headphones, which is fantastic. I love that about them. Their sound quality outside of gaming is also actually surprisingly good. They are relatively flat and they don't pump in a ton of bass, but if you want a heavier bass sound, you can go ahead and change that in the app. And I'll go ahead and give you guys an app demo for that right now. Now, the QCY app has a lot of features, including a pop-up animation. They offer GPS tracking, which uses your GPS and the time that your headphones are connected to see where the last possible place you could have lost your headphones would be. It's a nice added feature, but it's not one that I particularly use. A feature that you guys might use a lot more is the custom EQs. And on top of that, the custom EQs for gaming. It allows you to go ahead and pump up the sound of gunshots, feet walking, explosions, aircraft, along with other EQs that you might want to use for just general music. And these EQs stay with the headphones, even if you take the headphones and use them with a different device. I think that this is a great feature. You can turn the game mode on and off from the app as well as the headphones. You can turn on a sleep mode. You can toggle the LEDs on and off, and you can update the firmware. Now, as you can see, the app is fully featured and it's fleshed out. And I really wish that other companies like Xiaomi, which have headphones that support an app, would give users in all countries, in all areas, with all Android phones, the ability to use their app to change some of those features and sound profiles. Thanks, QCY. It makes it really easy to recommend these headphones because they have all of the bases covered. Now, that's kind of how I feel about these headphones as a whole. They have all of their bases covered. Good gaming performance, check. Good battery life, check. Decent mic, check, check. Good sound quality, check. And an app that allows me to change the controls to suit my personal preference. What more could you ask for a pair of semi-budget, but not quite ultra budget gaming, but not gaming headphones? I think that these headphones click all the boxes and I can recommend them to you. Till next time, it's been Mitchell. Peace.